Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, if you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, then click the red colored subscribe button and then press the bell icon to get the latest update of our new videos directly to your inbox. Hello friends, once again I would like to welcome you to my YouTube channel ManiTech. So friends, in this video you will learn how to insert an emoji in Windows 10. Friends, when we talk about emoji, a simple question arises in our mind that what is emoji. So friends, an emoji is a small digital icon or digital image that can be used to express an idea or emotion, and which also used in electronic communication like WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, etc. So you will see here an emoji table. This is the emoji table where you can see various emojis are there, and each and every emoji represents different meanings. So you will see this emoji represents fire. See, this emoji represents a smiling face with heart eyes. Similarly, this emoji represents victory hand, and this emoji express rolling on the floor laughing. This emoji represents clapping hands. So friends, in this video I am going to show you how to insert an emoji in Windows 10. So friends, to insert an emoji in Windows 10 it is very easy and very less people knew these tips. So friends, the shortcut command is Windows key and semicolon button on the keyboard and emoji table appears. You can change the emojis by selecting these options. This transportation and places. This is symbols. This is smiley faces and animals. So friends, now I'm going to show you how to use this emoji in YouTube. Now you just need to click on this video to open a video. You can use it in video title or in the comment section also. So I'm going to show you how to use it in the comment section. This is the comment. Add a public comment. Users need to click on the comment box and then press Windows key plus semicolon button on the keyboard. See, when emoji table opens, users need to select the desired emoji. See, this fire emoji appeared here. Similarly, you can use OK hand. This is the celebration and objects. You can choose from this. There are various emojis. Transportation. Once you click comment, a comment emoji is published. In this way, you can use emoji in the YouTube comment section. Now I'm going to show you how to use it in the YouTube video title. So to use this emoji in the YouTube video title, you just need to click edit video, or you just need to go to your YouTube dashboard, and from there you just need to go to video. So this particular video opens. See, this is the title of the video. You just need to click in the title and then press Windows key and semicolon button on the keyboard. Emoji appears. Select the desired emoji and then click save. So friends, in this way you can use emoji in Windows 10. So friends, thanks for watching this video.